Hey guys, my name is Mick Phil if you're looking for me on Facebook. If you're looking for me on Instagram, it is Mickademus. Today, we are going to be learning about weaves with dragon staff. We're going to be doing the forward spinning, reverse rolling weave on the upper side. Ha! All right, so first thing we need to learn today is going to be the hand path. This is a move that was beside me for a very long time, and I finally figured out the way to break it down and find yourself in a comfortable place to be able to access the roll, because if we're doing the roll before we learn the hand path, we're never going to get there. So we're in wheel playing today, and we're going to be doing forward spinning with the heads of our staff, while the staff is going to be rolling in reverse. So the base chi roll that this comes from, which each base chi roll has a weave that it can do up and low. Today we're doing the upper version of this one. From here, we want to turn our body to the right, stop the roll after you understand that forward spinning motion. And once we stop our roll, we're going to initiate the actual weave itself. And this is where it gets a little wonky, guys, so buckle up, okay? We are going to take our hands and we're going to do 180 and cross over. But as we do that, you can see how my body is turned completely to the right, and it allows me to put my left arm behind me. That left arm is going to come up and over. That's a second 180. Now we have a full rotation of the staff, and now we have one more last half rotation. So let's do that one more time. We're going to do 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to do on the opposite side. 1, 2, 3. That is the weave without actually using the roll. But just know that if you do 3 half turns on each side, 6 half turns total, that is 3 full rotations. That is a 3-beat weave. So let's do it again one more time. 1, 2, 3. Open up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Understanding the chi roll that you come from, heads are spinning forwards while the staff itself is rolling in reverse. We're going to open up to our right side, and then we're going to initiate the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's full rotations. That makes a 3-beat weave. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is the weave with dragon staff. At least one of them. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate you out here at Flame 2025. You're missing out. We'll see you next year.